If you need a dehumidification system in business critical and demanding applications, then the Munters DSS Pro could be the answer. Our latest system innovation, DSS Pro, has been made possible because of the strong partnerships we have with our customers and the fact that we have sold and serviced hundreds of thousands of dehumidification systems over the last 30 years. The DSS Pro has many benefits. First and foremost are the financial gains. The system saves up to 30% of total energy consumption when compared to industry standard designs. Cost savings can be achieved thanks to Munters AirPro casing, which delivers state-of-the-art durability and reliability. DSS Pro also saves time and money during installation and service thanks to the new flexible block-based modular design. The DSS Pro also provides increased and consistent performance, which is the result of flexible material selections, reduced air leakage and improved casing. The DSS Pro also reduces the overall footprint needed for a dehumidification system, freeing up valuable space for the parts of your business that generate revenue. To sum up then, the DSS Pro brings reliable and consistent operations, reduced system footprint and improves the bottom line. The system is a result of a true team effort, with the world's best climate controlled engineers partnering with our customers to make this a reality. So let's get in touch and see what the DSS Pro can do for you.